Do you know all these words describing weeks in Japanese? Let's check the Japanese words and pronunciation in this video. Sensenshū, sensenshū. The week before last. 2 weeks ago. 先々週。先週。先週。During the past week. Last week. 先週。今週。今週。current week. This week. 今週。来週。来週。coming week. Next week. 来週。再来週。再来週。The week after next. 再来週。Thanks for watching and listening to this video. I hope you learned something new about Japanese culture or the language today. If you like this video, please hit the like button for me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I will keep uploading something good for you to learn about Japanese language every week. See you in the next video!